Good evening, everyone. I'd like to extend a warm welcome to all the dignitaries present here. We would like to start with lighting of the lamp. Begin by extending a floral welcome to our guest of honor, Honorable Justice P.P. Nawalekar, Lok Ayukt, Government of Madhya Pradesh. I invite Neeti to come ahead and extend a floral welcome. Dr. Ravi Chandran. We would like to also felicitate our dignitaries present here by presenting a memento. I'd like to invite Neeti to kindly come ahead. I request Director Sir to kindly felicitate his guest of honor. I'd like to request Director Sir to also felicitate Dr. Ravi Chandran. Thank you so much, sir. Can I please request Director Sir to kindly come ahead and give the welcome address?
Good evening to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Justice P.P. Nawalekar, the former Judge of the Supreme Court of India, and the former Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court, presently Honorable Lok Ayukt of the State of Madhya Pradesh. Before accepting all these positions, he was the practicing advocate in the High Court of Madhya Pradesh at Jabalpur and belongs to a very reputed family of advocates. His grandfather was advocate, his father was advocate, he was advocate, and these activities relates with advocacy. The training in mooting is all about your competence, capability to highlight yourself and your issues and the law and the point. Today we have time because of His Excellency is not well and we have not attended. So with a little relaxed mood, the former Chief Justice of India once narrated me which relates personally to Honorable Justice Navalekar when his grandfather was practicing. That's a brief story, full of learning point, which is the rare thing today. He said his grandfather, in one of the cases which was listed for argument in the High Court, and I remember the judge, he was Honorable Justice Udaya in the High Court of Madhya Pradesh. And the time was at 4 p.m. When his case turn came for argument, so as a mark of respect, the court said that it seems that by this time, Sir, you must be very tired. He said, no, I am all right. My lord, I am prepared to argue and put forth my case. Again he repeated, what I think that you must be tired by now. And I am listing your case for tomorrow morning, the first case. All right, court is court. When he went to his house in that night particularly, he was not comfortable. The thought which came to his mind, that is it my age that the court is accommodating me? If that is the situation, then I must call off the day. And next morning, he took a decision not to appear in the case, and that was the last day of his practice. That was the character to which he had inherited that quality, character, and no doubt, it goes without saying, the competence. We are extremely happy to have you, sir, at this occasion. And you have always obliged us and graced a number of functions in IIPA. In fact, you are the friend, philosopher, guide so far as the activities, academic activities are concerned in IIPA. And from very beginning, even before my joining, you are associated with this institution. And the institutions are known with the quality, people's association, linkage, networking, not very respectable word in the modern business era, but anyway, we have to survive in the age where we stand and live. Really, it's a privilege for me and the NLIU. So I wish to extend a very warm welcome to you, sir, on behalf of the NLIU family, my faculty colleagues, and particularly the 14 participating teams in the present event of 17th Stetson International Environmental Law, Moot 13, at the occasion of inaugural function of this event. Extremely happy in extending a very warm welcome to our partner of the event, Dr. Ravi Chandran, who is the head of the academic initiative, Surana and Surana International Attorneys. Because he is one person in whose dictionary the word tired is not there. He is always full of energy, always with a smiling face. Even after doing a lot of trekking in the hills of Himalayas, he will smile in the same manner in which he is smiling just now in front of you all. That shows the cleanness of the heart of a man. It is not something which has been brought by effort, but spontaneous things comes. And that speaks the quality of a man, the inner of the man, from where the values comes on the face and in discourse and discussion and debate. That matters. One may be rich, one may be very rich, one may be too rich, but if that richness is not linked to the ethics and the values and the morals, that has no meaning. Exactly that is having no meaning. You may be surrounded by bundles and full of attachments in the house, full of notes. But at the end of the day, you will realize that that is not all which the human being wants to achieve. So his efforts in sponsoring these events and providing opportunity to the young, bright, full of energy mind, the thinking, creative mind, the opportunity of international exposure. Who is going to win? Who is going to lose? But the participation in the event itself is a learning opportunity. And anyone who is extending helping hand in providing that opportunity of learning, he must be appreciated because he is having the hope and the desire and expectation from you that what you are learning today, hopefully you will be returning to the society from where the resources are coming in organizing that kind of things. So Surana and Surana is a great institution. Yet another person who is present here from the same organization, Mr. Pritam Surana, who belongs to this firm, legal attorneys. I also extend a very warm welcome to him, Mr. Pritam. The presence of such people on my campus of NLIU, I am saying my campus, but that doesn't mean that this is my personal. No, this is public. That belongs to all of you. But I derive pleasure in mentioning that my campus because I own it through my commitment, my dedication, devotion, and the one thing, the integrity, which cannot be questioned by anyone, even on challenge. So I extend a very warm welcome on behalf of the entire NLIU and my faculty colleagues who all are sitting here. They are joining me in extending the warm welcome to all the participants who are coming from the outside. Please enjoy your participation. And I hope that though the only one or two teams will be selected finally at the end of the day, who will get the opportunity to visit Florida for international competition. But that is a chance to prove yourself, your ability, your competence. With this, I am thankful to my colleague, Dr. Kondaiya, for providing me this opportunity to stand in front of you all. Thank you very much. I wish all the success to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the inspiring words, sir. I'd now like to request Dr. Ravi Chandran, Head Academic Initiatives, Surana and Surana International Tourneys, to kindly address the August Gathering.